What are we up to here, boss?
Alright, for the about fifth flick switch over in paint again. So we've just gone from the one step prep over to the wash and wear, from the wash and wear to the seal and flat, from the seal and flat to the fast finish. You know, there's so many people that get the three products mixed up. You know, you got the original water-based aqua enamel, that's what it's called, aqua enamel from Dulux. It is not designed for spray, okay? They never formulated it to come out of a spray machine. The fast finish, see this? This is a new improved aqua enamel, designed, formulated, made for spray, brush or roll. You have this one here, or you have the Sterigard as well. Both the Sterigard and the fast finish work pretty much exactly the same. So out of the three products, the fast finish and the Sterigard is designed for spray, while the OG, as I call it, aqua enamel, is designed for brush and roll. This is designed, and the atomization that you get out of this product and the Sterigard are perfect finish for spraying your woodwork. Yeah, finished pretty much. There we go. Anyway, we're gonna flick it into this one.
So we get the question all the time, what pressure do I spray at? What tip size do I use for spraying frames with aqua enamel?
You know, a lot of people like the 208. I like to use the 308. Yeah, it puts that perfect amount on. You know, your spray width fan is a 6-inch instead of with your 208, it's a 4-inch. So I just feel like I've got a bit more room to play with, and it just I feel like it atomizes the paint just a little bit better with the 3. So that's all I pretty much run when I'm doing any of my finished trims or woodwork. It's always with the fast finish or the Sterigard, and yeah, it's always with the 308. And the pressure, with a fast finish, I like to pretty much have pressure up full. What I'll do, I'll see if I can get some tailing and show what we don't want, and then I'll change it up and show what we do want. Look at this, what have we got here? We've just flicked it over, first time use. We're going to go checking out the Graco Contractor PC Compact, and we're going to see how this goes. You know, when we're spraying out woodwork and you are in tight little areas behind bathrooms, doors and everything like that, to have it like this, you know, yeah, it's going to be nice to give it a go. Tight areas, I would definitely recommend this for cabinetry, cupboards, anything that you need to sort of squeeze your gun into the tight area. This is what you want. Right, here we go. I'm going to quickly prime out the machine, get this all sorted. So we've got the fast finish. I've just set up with the Contractor PC Compact, and with a 308 tip. See how you can actually hear it. It's not atomizing 100% right, but even still, I can turn it down and I'll just show you. What it's like.
Every time you try and make a tail, it just never tails.
I know.
You could spray it at that pressure.
I've probably got this switch. I don't even know what I've got this switch on now. But here we go. We might even get
Oh, a tiny bit of fingering, like not
Not
much.
even. I reckon we're not even sitting at. I'd love to have the pressure on this. I reckon we're sitting at about 600, if that even. You know, so yeah, I like to. I'll show you. See how it actually atomizes better. So I'm gonna go. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll start here. We'll start on this window, yeah? Let's do it. Ready? Yeah. Oh. That's your first go.